Hello there, welcome back. So these past couple of days, Vivo X Fold has been leaked extensively, showing us a foldable in all its glory. Not only that, even JD.com listed the smartphone on its website, and another Chinese retailer is also teasing the device in an offline store. So what all do we know about this foldable? Well, to be frank, we know most of the things. For starters, Vivo will showcase the X Fold on April 11th in China, although what we do not know is if it will ever launch outside of their home country. All the previous foldables were China exclusive, so chances are low, but we will know more when the event comes around. About the specs, like any other foldable, it comes with an inner folding screen, an outer screen, a hinge mechanism, a powerful processor, a set of cameras and few other things. To start with, let's take a look at the display specs. The inner folding screen will be 8-inch 2K resolution 120Hz refresh rate with the latest LTPO 3.0 technology for variable refresh rate. Then there's Samsung E5 display material and 3D ultrasonic dual screen fingerprint scanner. I still believe the side-mounted fingerprint scanner would be better, but I could be wrong. The external screen will measure 6.53-inch Full HD Plus with 120Hz refresh rate as well. As for the hinge, it's said to come with an aerospace-grade floating wing hinge design. It will come with a small tear-down hinge structure so that there's no crease or the least possible crease in the middle. Additionally, it has been certified to work for 300,000 folds and unfolds by TÜV Rheinland. Powering this foldable is the most powerful processor at the moment, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip. It will be accompanied by LPDDR5 RAM along with UFS 3.1 storage. We don't know the exact memory and storage configuration at the moment. The only downside of this foldable is the battery size. Not just this foldable, any foldable you can think of has this issue. There's no space to cram in more battery. Anyways, Vivo X Fold gets 4600 mAh battery with support for 66W wired and 50W wireless charging. As for cameras, the phone comes with a quad rear camera setup with Zeiss branding and T coating. I don't know what that means, comment if you know. The main snapper is a 50MP Samsung GN5 with OIS. The rest of the sensors are 48MP ultra-wide with 114° field of view, a 12MP portrait lens and a 60x OIS periscope cam. As for the rest of the specs, there's NFC, Wi-Fi 6, alert slider and Android 12 based Origin OS out of the box. So that is all for now, comment your thoughts. Thank you for watching and as always, catch you in the next one.